Welcome to the JUNKO Zoomer BugEye. So, let's just explain how we made this BugEye. Pretty quick, pretty easy, only uses 3 different pieces of junk. They all attach really simply to the JUNKO frame. So the body, as you can see, is just a juice carton. That's held in to the wheel frame. So there's your wheel frame. Your juice carton goes into it like this. And what we've done is just cut a slot in the back of our carton here, which has been well used there. And that allows you to push in your JFix mag base. And it just goes in the bottom there. There's 2 of those, 1 at each end, and that's what holds your carton in place. The front is a yogurt pot, like this. And we've just used the JFix mag. You can fit your popular modelling bricks or figures onto these bobble fittings here, or you can use it like we have here, just to hold this on. And that just goes on the front. And that just goes on the front of your model with the steel tab. So you put the steel tab in, you can either go through the nozzle, or you can go through the slot in the back. And once it's in, you just hold it on like that with the steel tab. I'll show you this here. This is the sort of mud guards. Cool. So, this is just cereal packet. We just folded it. Sort of line it up and fold it however you want. You can make this any shape at all. And there's a little JFix corner in the middle. Here we have another JFix corner, little piece of card. That just slots into the wheel frame there. These have got all this slot at the top is designed for slotting card into. So just like a bit of cornflakes packet there. We've painted all these so they look not like cornflakes packets, but that, you know, up to you. JFix corner there. And this part here, so easy it is to take apart and put together. It's just a JFix Mag 90 with a little steel tab that goes in the back. You can put that on there, move it around wherever you want. We're going to have it about there, I think. So just slot this onto there. In it goes, it's pretty firm. And just slot that into there. And we've got that, and we can just put that whatever angle we want to put it at. And the eyes are just, again, cereal packet. This time we use a JFix Mag 90, holds things at 90 degrees, and that goes on the inside. You can feed them in the front and move your thing back, or in the back, whichever's easier. Once these are on, you can just move them around, and you can hear the steel tab just clicking around underneath. So you can put those wherever you want. You can make big eyes, little eyes, big eyelashes, whatever you want. This is the rear wing. It just slots into the teeth on the top of the wheel frame. We've got 2 shaped pieces of card at the side. Obviously use one as a template for the other when you cut them out. And we've joined those 2 together with a rectangle of card, and that's all held together just using JFix corners. Last part is the wheel inserts. These are simply, again, cards of cereal packet. We just paint them, then you just pop them in. There's little tabs here. I'll try and do it upside down. 2 and 3. And there you go. Of course, it's got the JUNKO drive, as you saw at the beginning. Put it back. Go. Put it back again. And off it goes. And that'll do about, well, 5 or 6 meters on a nice